me
Where
not.
is the show cause notice? Therefore, non-compliance, I am going to frame charges against the DGP. Please go to your office by evening 6 o'clock. You have to pass an order. Scope of contempt is limited. You comply the order. That's all. How many times you want me to repeat? Comply subject to outcome of the LPA. What is wrong in it? Is it a prestige? Since December 2021.
We have notice, we have issued notice on.
Show me the notice.
Sir, on separate.
Sir, show me the notice, sir. What is the date of notice? Don't mislead this court. Sir, are you going to implement or not?
My lord, the order says only to consider.
All right, you pass an order.
We have already passed. We have already passed.
Already passed.
Ad hoc basis. Where is the show cause notice issued to the petitioner? Where is the show cause notice?
No, my lord. No so cause notice issued, my
Where
lord.
is the show cause notice? Therefore, non-compliance, I am going to frame charges against the DGP. Please go to your office by evening 6 o'clock. You have to pass an order. Ad hoc promotion subject to outcome of LPA. Otherwise, next week I am going to frame charges against you.
Sir, if you allow me to say only one thing, sir. Whatever sir has said, there is no dispute on any of the things. But the government order, which has been referred to in earlier court's judgment, para 5, sir, there
Scope of contempt is limited. Only to comply the order. That's all.
we tried to implement.
Sir,
the order.
you can raise these issues before the LPA bench.
Because these conditions are such that in the.
Sir, are you going to implement or not?
My lord, the order says only to consider.
All right, you pass an order.
We have already passed. We have already passed.
Already passed.
Ad hoc basis. Where is the show cause notice issued to the petitioner? Where is the show cause notice?
No, my lord. No so cause notice issued, my
Where
lord.
is the show cause notice? Therefore, non-compliance, I am going to frame charges against the DGP.
My lords, actually this order, my lord, deliberate attempt, my lords.
Contempt is between the court and the accused.
Sorry, my lord.
You are going to implement today or shall we frame the charges?
Ad hoc promotion. Upon consideration of the record, your lordships, and the opinion from the Vigilance Investigation Bureau and the Special Branch, the DG board sat on 12th of August 2022 and has rejected the grant and has rejected the claim for the ad hoc promotion.
Have you issued a notice to the petitioner or not? For the third time I am asking you.
ये करने से पहले
Comply the order by 6 o'clock, otherwise the charges will be framed.
My lord, may I submit one small thing? My lord, under the, as I have understood.
Sir, what is the prestige you have?
No, it is not.
Why can't you implement ad hoc?
No, it's not a question of.
That is the reason this court is giving an
The
option.
problem is something else. It is not the question of prestige at all.
Then why don't you implement for a few days,
My lords,
depending upon LPA decision?
my lords, I have passed an order to pass.
It is not, whatever you have passed order, it is not in terms of the order.
No, my lords, just one small thing, lords, that your lordships has directed that you consider his case in terms of paragraph 5 of the government resolution. Now, my lords, now by considering paragraph 5 of the government resolution, my lords, the conditions which has been prescribed therein.
Mr. Counsel, I will read. Before taking such a decision or pass such order, fresh notices shall be given to the petitioner in respect of aforesaid issue. Where is the notice?
No, my lords, just a moment. My lords, there are two aspects of the matter. Perhaps, my lords,
Have you issued a notice or not? Simple question.
my lords,
Show me the copy of the notice.
It has not been issued, but just.
If it is not issued, then a scope of contempt is, I am going to.
Allow me to place it as well as he says. Before taking
Such a decision.
that
is,
such decision or pass such order, fresh notices shall be given
where is
to
that?
the petitioner in respect of the aforesaid issue, and proceed to pass appropriate order in accordance with law after due consideration and the petitioner's explanation to be. My lords, of course it is there, but.
Yes, sir, of course it is there. Now you want to implement by 6 o'clock or not? Otherwise, I am going to frame charges.
My
Because
lords,
this order is dated
contrary-
14/12/2021.
That would be why he is hesitant. The
Huh?
reason why my lords, the hesitance is because my lords, he is not entitled as per the government resolution.
Sir,
That is the problem.
in contempt, I can't examine all those things. Scope of contempt is very
Now, my
limited.
lords,
Have
my
you
lords-
complied or not?
Only, no, we will comply. My lords, there is no two opinions on that. My lords, because my lords would also never like us to, my lords, pass anything which is contrary to law. My lords, therefore, my lords, I am.
Sir, why you want to hesitate on merits in a contempt matter?
No, we are saying that, my lords, your lordships have said that you issue notice before taking a decision. My lords, we will issue a notice and take a decision after that, my lords.
Sir, how many years after? How many months? This order is
No, no.
passed in this order is passed on
My
14/12/2021.
My lords,
14/12/2021. We are in the month of August. You are directed to take such a decision within how many days? 4
4
months.
months.
4 months. Now,
we-
4
we
more
are-
months was over.
This.
What is the date of filing LPA?
LPA.
May 2022, Your Lord.
Huh?
May
May 2000?
22.
Why the matter was not listed? Even after 4 months, almost 3 months.
No, it is listed, Your Lordship. It was.
Go and obtain interim order.
My Lord, it is
Yes, but
listed
I'm-
before Honorable
one week
Division.
time only.
No, sir, sorry.
It
First
is-
implement.
It is listed before Honorable Division Bench.
Sir, whatever it may be, sir, scope of contempt is limited. You comply the order, that's all. How many times you want me to repeat? Comply subject to outcome of the LPA. What is wrong in it? Is it a prestige?
My lords,
Is it a prestige of the institution? I am saying repeatedly that ad hoc promotion be granted. What is wrong in it?
my lords, my lords, your lordships order.
There is a serious lapse on your part. You have not taken note of, as on the date of his promotion to the police inspector, that he was facing criminal proceedings. You blindly pass the order.
It was not within our notice.
Huh?
Had it been in our notice, the situation never would have arisen.
Why your police department is not party to the criminal proceedings? Don't tell me all those things.
With the vigilance, that was the vigilance case, Lord.
So vigilance means the department should not know. Is it?
Any promotion granted after
Vigilance
taking
department-
vigilance clearance.
Even he was.
My lords,
But
Any promotion-
Call at 4:30. You have a discussion. I will take up this matter for framing charges.
my lords, may I submit one thing? We are ready to implement, but there is no reason for not. My lords, we are here to.
Huh?
My lord, I have come here to.
Sir, I will take up at 4:30.
My lords.
Please have a discussion with your DGP, either to implement or to framing up charge.
Implement. My lords, the order says, implementing the order, that before taking such decision or passing such order, before taking such decision or passing such order, fresh notices shall be given.
Correct, you are not carried out.
No, my lord, we will carry out.
No,
We
how?
will carry out. We will
Then
carry out.
then I am going to impose cost. Because you have slept over the matter for 6 months, 8 months.
No, my lords, your lordships have given time for.
Alright, sir, I will pass an order imposing cost. I will grant you time, you for compliance.
Only making a prayer, my lord.
No, your prayer is correct. At the same time, other side I have to see, no. I can't see only state. I have to see other side also.
My lords,
No, why the officer or DGP department of police slept over the matter till May for 5 months
my lord,
and thereafter 3 months, no action.
because the matter had gone for taking.
So you are so confident that you will.
LPA was filed after taking.
Sir, mere filing LPA is sufficient? Do you advise him as a counsel, senior counsel? Do you advise him? No, we will file LPA, contempt we will face. Do you suggest that?
Your Lordship, just last one line and then.
Sir, I will grant you 15 days time, but imposing cost. Yes, take up.
Sir, my just one request is, sir, Sir, if we are to consider para 5, any action if we are to take under para 5.
Sir, have you issued a notice? Since December 2021.
We have noticed, we have issued notice on.
Show me the notice.
Sir, on separate occasions.
Sir, show me the notice, sir. What is the date of notice? Don't mislead this court. Don't mislead this court.
My lord may adjourn this matter for next week, your lordship.
Huh?
My
All
lord,
right, I will adjourn subject to payment of cost.
my lord, we will issue notice and we will do the needful.
Do whatever you want, sir. I will impose cost. It is a clear case of contempt. If you want to put back him on ad hoc basis subject to outcome of LPA by 6 o'clock, well and good. Otherwise, I am going to impose cost.
Since DG board consists of 5 more.
I don't know how you are going to constitute. It is your headache.
My lords, may I pray, my lords, let it come day after tomorrow, my lords.
Huh? No, no.
Day after tomorrow.
All right, I will subject to payment of cost. You have committed contempt.
आज ही कर दीजिए, आज कर दीजिए, आप एडहॉक प्रमोशन दीजिए ना। Subject to LPA करिए ना, ad hoc promotion. My lord, he will pass order, your lordships.
Huh?
He will issue needful, your lordships, by 6.
By 6 o'clock.
My lord. Let it be 7 PM because he is here at.
By today, my lords,
By today he will do that.
Yes, take down. Pursuant on instruction from the DGP, Mr. So and so, submitted that ad hoc promotion would be granted to the respondent, petitioner slash complainant during the course of the day, and it would be communicated to the petitioner.
Subject to, my lords, result of the LPA.
Wait, sir, please listen. And it would be communicated to the petitioner by 18th August 2022 before 10:30 PM, 10:30 AM. Such ad hoc promotion is a subject to outcome of LPA as well as issuance of show cause notice to the petitioner and further proceedings which would be undertaken by the